Hello friends, hope you're doing great today. So today I am back with another tutorial wherein I will be sharing the list of the requirements which is needed so as to upload an app over Microsoft App Source. So in my last tutorial I have shared with you the benefits, the importance and the definitions of Microsoft App Source, and today I would be sharing with you the list of the requirements or the things you should have so as to upload an app over Microsoft App Source. So in a brief recall, I would like to share with you again what exactly Microsoft App Source is. So it's a repository or a store where you can upload your model driven apps which can be considered by other businesses for their installations, and from where you can buy in more business, you can gain in more business, you can gain in more profits and more customer insights. So the first and the most important requirement is having a Microsoft Partner Center account. So this account can be accessed or can be created by accessing a specific URL which I would be sharing with you in the other steps, an instance of Dynamics CRM. So what exactly happens is whenever you upload an app to the Microsoft App Source, so the first and the most important requirement is having a Microsoft Partner Center account. So here this account can be created by you through a specific URL through which we would be able to upload our apps to the Microsoft App Source. The second important requirement is during the upload of app you would need a instance of CRM or a Azure table to which the data from app source would be pushed, which can be considered by your sales team for further interactions with the client. So what exactly happens is whenever a business uploads or downloads your app to their Microsoft Dynamics CRM instance, they need to fill in the information, and this information would be pushed from the app source to the instance of Dynamics CRM or Azure table, whichever you have configured, and this data can be used by your sales team ahead in business so as to call the person who has undertaken that installation. Third and the most important is definitely the app. So you would need a managed solution of that app whichever you want to list on the Microsoft App Source. There would be certain steps which we need to undertake once the managed solution is available, that is so as to create a package of that app which would be compatible for upload on App Source, and for which we would be needing a package deployer. Now this package of the app which you have created, which you wish to upload on Microsoft App Source, has to be uploaded on an Azure Blob Storage. Once that app is uploaded on the Azure Blob Storage, the URL would be generated and we need to update this URL in the Microsoft App Source store. So what exactly happens is whenever a new version of app is deployed or created, you simply need to update it in the Blob Storage, and Microsoft App Source would be pulling the data from the Blob Storage in the Microsoft App Source. The most important is so as to create the Microsoft Source package. So App Source package would be containing a list of files which I would be sharing with you in the upcoming tutorials. So now let me share with you the screen. So this is my partner.microsoft.com account. It's a home to it. In home, you would be having certain other options as per your configurations. In there, you would need to enable this commercial marketplace tab. Therein click on the overview. And through the overview, we would be able to create the offer. So exactly creating an offer means you are going to offer an app through Microsoft App Source to your prospected sellers. So I would keep you posted with other steps in my upcoming tutorial. Thanks. Have a great day.